Yo, slow start already, but we finally got the first order. This is a 7-Eleven. I think it said like $6 and change, going about 2.5 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $9, going 3.5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
That one, I think that one is the one that we're waiting on. It's going to be, how long are you guys waiting on the chicken for? So it's going to be a 2-minute wait. Is it okay if I have you park in spot number 1 and we'll bring you right out?
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
You got 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You too. That was more like 6 minutes, I'd say. Ooh, hidden tip on that one. Not sure why they hit $1 from me, but total ended up being $10. It's been quite some time since that last order, but we finally got one. This is IHOP, $8, going 6 miles. Not very good, but it's something. Now that I'm thinking about it, this one's probably not gonna be ready, so this order is even worse than I thought.
This has got to be joke. It's the only one I got.
Perfect.
There you go.
Thank you. Okay, never mind on that. Looks like someone's been roasting them. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7, going about 5 miles. We've got a gravity coffee. This one is $5 and change, going about 2 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. No tip. Really? Oh, never mind. Customer added a $1 tip on a past gravity coffee order. Still not a good order, but better than what it was. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7, going 3.5 miles.
Alright, doordash right here. Have a good day.
You too. This might be another short video because there's a huge gap in between every order, and as you guys have seen, they've been pretty mediocre at best. I think we've had one good order. Okay, we got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11, going 5 miles, 5 items. Excuse me, do you have baskets? Oh, right here.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna lose my mind. They don't have it. I'm on the verge of losing my mind today. I don't think I have the mental stability to be doing this. Got the next order. This is for Jungle Jive. $7, going 3 miles.
So I know it says 3 items. The bag does contain a couple extra snacks just because the flavored lattes weren't available, so I gave you some free snacks.
Okay, gotcha.
Just didn't want you to be confused by the numbers or anything.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a beautiful day today.
You as well. Okay, I'm like completely zoned out. I can't even pay attention. So we're gonna call it early. Today is just not the day for this. Current time is 9:16. Current total, we are at 56. Ooh, we are not making any money today. Oh, we're actually waiting on 1 Uber tip. I forgot. That should bring it up to 64. Still terrible. Anyways, let's just go home. I need a complete mental reset after this. So yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.